Blurry fireworks. Can't move. Scared of moving. Fireworks. Blurry fireworks. Continue. Shining as much light as possible. This phone has a torch. To all you people out there on the internet who needed to know. Blurry.
You really think you need to?
That was awesome! When I say just as good thing as Blurry. Jeez, go. Them lens flares. It's so cool to me. Unfortunate for you. It's blurry. It's like a rocket. Just think of a rocket, but green.
Is that it?
That was awesome. Still fire. It's on fire. Oh, there we go. I'm still happy. Thank you for doing this for me and all viewers out there who want to see fireworks. Whoa! It's sideways!
Yeah, pointed in the wrong direction.
It was pointed the wrong direction, but it was still cool because it looked like it was just boom! Boom! Other side. Every rocket. Still another about 8 minutes left of this video. Start another one soon, don't you worry. Blue fireworks will not die because there's still fire there and it's not dead yet. You'll see the next one soon, don't worry. Oh, this is gonna take up space, so but this video is not brought to you by anyone except me. It's brought to you by Taz Reed. I bought these for money, so not sponsored. Just gotta put that out there. Oh gosh. Look at it! You look at it from up close, because apparently I have this thing that allows you to do this. I didn't know. Ooh. Okay, we're back. Oh. Too blurry. Half the time has passed already. Oh. Whoa! Are you okay? Whoa! It's too blurry. It's like a multi-match of firework. Be careful! Oh, whoa. You can see up close, I can't. Next. Thank you, Martha. Are you okay? This is awesome! Boom, boom. Go, go, go! Go! Told you it'd be blurry. Gosh! Thank ya! Dancing. Focus. Oh, it's cool. Okay. Is it all done?
No.
Not all of it.
Yeah, that beach is done.
Oh, them? Okay, wait. So that's part 1. Because I don't